Now everybody, back same day, same video, just part 2. This right here is the distortion tone test with these freshly installed pickups on this guitar. Basically 90% complete on that. All we got left is the bridge left to go. If you haven't watched my other video, check it out. So here we go. You can't find yourself away. Find yourself away from it. Everything you have said to me comes to you now. I can't save my way. You can't find yourself in a month's wings. I have come to find you. You have betrayed me, but I, as active nothing happened. You try to tell me, but I act as if nothing happened. You reach out to yourself in desperation. You're choked out by the flames, but yet you rise again. I might never give up. You already know that. You may already have given up, but I won't give up on you, 'cause I know what's in store.